chosen you as our leader. Can you help us fly this spaceship to Earth and find a human? Welcome to the ship. We are heading towards Planet Edition. We have to disintegrate the asteroids blocking our way to be able to proceed any further. From what we have learned so far, decimal point is used to separate the whole part and the fractional part of a number. For example, 2.6 is 2 plus 6/10 of 1. Just like whole numbers, decimal numbers is not much different from adding them. You just have to bring both numbers under each other, insert zeros if needed, and subtract each digit, just like subtracting whole numbers. Take us to Earth, buddy. Multiplication land. The logic behind it looked confusing at first, but I think we have found a very easy way to crack the multiplication problems of decimal numbers. All you got to do is to press the Ignore Decimals button and the decimal points will disappear. Next thing you know, it will become a simple multiplication of whole numbers. Ow. Be careful. The asteroid will hit the spaceship if you don't answer correctly. From what I see on the monitor, 2 more hits and the spaceship will be wrecked. We are almost there. This is our final stop before Earth, division. The division looked a bit tricky and complex at first, but I'm sure we can solve this problem using the levers, and your genius as well. First thing we must do is to make the divisor a whole number. To do so, you must pull the horizontal lever all the way to the right until the divisor becomes a whole number. What you must notice is that this lever is also connected to dividend's decimal point too, and will move at the same amount to the right as well. If the dividend becomes a whole number sooner than the divisor, each time the decimal point moves a digit to the right in the divisor, a zero will be added to the right side of the dividend. We have found out that this lever basically multiplies the divisor and the dividend by 10, each time you move it to the right. Next thing you need to do is to move the dividend's decimal point up to the quotient. To do so, simply pull up the vertical lever to move the decimal point from the dividend to the quotient, exactly above the place it was in the dividend. Okay, we have successfully turned this decimal division into a normal division problem. Next thing you have to do is to divide these numbers until the remainder becomes 0. Now use your genius and fill in the highlighted fields with the correct answers and divide these two numbers. Earth awaits. Ow. Be careful. The asteroid will hit the spaceship if you don't answer correctly. From what I see on the monitor, 2 more hits and the spaceship will be wrecked. Ow. Be careful. The asteroid will hit the spaceship if you don't answer correctly. From what I see on the monitor, 2 more hits and the spaceship will be wrecked.